I'm going to show you guys in this tutorial how to solve and fix this problem. Let's learn how to fix it. So first open the settings of your mobile phone, and right now click on your apps option and search for Boom, Bish and click. Scroll down this list, click storage, click clear cache now, and after that you back. Click add force stop and click OK. So go to Play Store or App Store, update Bombish, restart your device right now, and that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribing, and bye.